morning, children. Welcome to the class. I hope everyone is ready. Second class, isn't it? Are you all ready with your Hindi class book notebook? Are you all ready with the Hindi class book note? Okay. So yesterday what I taught you? Meanings. Choti ki matra meanings, isn't it? So had you done the practice? Have you done the practice? How, in which way? Writing or only oral? No. You have done both the practice, writing and recitation, isn't it? So very good. Now let me start the next class, next exercise with the picture oriented fill in the blanks. Okay, I will be showing the pictures. You have to guess that picture and you should have to write the answer in the blanks. Okay, so in the exam now we will be giving the clues. You have to understand the picture name and you should have to write the suitable word for the given picture. Okay, so be ready with your pencils and Hindi classwork notebook and start writing with the choti ki matra fill in the blanks. Okay, only few fill in the blanks I will give you. You have to understand those fill in the blanks. Okay, come on, write all of you. Choti ki matra. Heading is place there. Choti ki matra. Okay, left side. Which side this is? So you show the matra towards left side. Okay. Now teacher will write the fill in the blanks. I am going to start fill in the blanks. See children, I am not writing in Hindi. You can't understand the Hindi heading, so I am writing only in English because we didn't started any Samyuktakshar or Dvitvaakshar words. Okay. Right now you have to understand only in English headings, not in Hindi headings. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Are you all ready now? Write the heading and first one. Okay. What is the first one? What is the first one? I am going to start. Okay. Ajay. Ajay. Draw the picture of sitar. What is this? Sitar. Should have to draw the picture, sitar picture. Okay. So in which way you have to draw? You see it. Okay. The next one is, here you have the strings. Then write the name of the picture is, what is the name of the picture? Sitar. Okay. What is the name of the picture? Sitar. Baja. Ajay sitar baja. Full stop. Okay. So you have, see in the choose the correct word. I can ask you in the choose the correct word by giving the other name of sitar, then tabla. So you have to select the suitable word and you have to write in the blanks. Okay children. Second one. The second blank is Ravi dash pad. Ravi. Ra. Vaku choti ki matra. V. What is this? Book. In English what you used to say? In Hindi what is this? Kitab. What is this? Kaku choti ki matra ki. Taku aki matra ta. Va. Kitab. Okay. Kitab pad. Kitab pad. Next one, third one. Chidiya tinka lai. I am drawing the bird picture. This is a bird picture. Chidiya. Okay children. So come on, say now. Chaku choti ki matra chi. Say and write like this. Daku choti ki matra d. Yako aki matra ya. Chidiya tinka lai. Tinka means grains. Okay. Kya lai? Tinka lai. Leave one line and write children. Should have to leave one line for each and every blank. Okay. Fourth one. Anil. Anil. Spell the word of a. Naku choti ki matra ni. La. Anil. Takiya. Pillow. What is this? I am going to draw pillow. Okay. pillow cover. Just I'm drawing some designs. Pillow. Okay. तकिया उधर रख. त काकू छोटी की मात्रा की, या को आ की मात्रा या. तकिया उधर 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 रख रख. अनिल तकिया उधर रख. फिफ्थ वन, अमन न अमन गिलास. What is this? गिलास. Spell the word of गिलास. गा को छोटी की मात्रा गी, ला को आ की मात्रा ल, स गिलास. पकड़ प क ड पकड़. 5 fill in the blanks. So this is a one type. Okay. So what I mean to say, Ajay सीता बजा, रवि किताब पढ़, चिड़िया तिनका लाई, अनिल तकिया उधर रख, अमन गिलास पकड़. अमन गिलास पकड़. Spell the word and write. Okay. अजय. Say the spelling. सीता, सा को छोटी की मात्रा सी, ता को आ की मात्रा ता, र. सितार. It is a musical instrument. Okay. सितार बजा ब, जा को आ की मात्रा जा, बजा. What is this? रवि र, वा को छोटी की मात्रा वी, रवि. It's the name of the boy. किताब का को छोटी की मात्रा की, ता को आ की मात्रा ता, ब. किताब. प ढ से ढक्कन. This is a big letter. Second ढ पढ़. What is this? Bird. चिड़िया. च को छोटी की मात्रा ची, डा को छोटी की मात्रा डी, या को आ की मात्रा या. Listen children, please spell the word and write while writing in the class work with the matra and letter. चिड़िया. Then underline. No, you underline only for चिड़िया. तिनका. ता को छोटी की मात्रा ती, न का को आ की मात्रा का, तिनका लाई, ला को आ की मात्रा ला, ई से ईख, लाई. अनिल. ना को छोटी की मात्रा नी, ल अनिल तकिया. त का को छोटी की मात्रा की, या को आ की मात्रा या, तकिया उधर रख. उ ध से धनुष, नॉट घ. ध र उधर रख रख. अनिल तकिया उधर रख. अमन. You know the spelling of aman without any matra. म न अमन. गिलास. गा को छोटी की मात्रा घी, ला को आ की मात्रा ला, स गिलास. प क ड पकड़. अमन गिलास पकड़. Okay. Now the next one. Write any 5 words of आ मात्रा and छोटी की मात्रा. This is one type of writing. You should have to write by your own. Understand? Teacher won't give any 5 words in the exam. If I ask such questions, no, you should have to be ready to write any 5 words of आ मात्रा और छोटी की मात्रा. Come on, write this heading, all of you. Write any 5 words of. Write any 5 words of आ मात्रा and छोटी की मात्रा. You have to write आ मात्रा 5 words, previous मात्रा and present मात्रा. Okay. आ मात्रा के 5 शब्द लिखो, छोटी की मात्रा के 5 शब्द लिखो. Now get ready. Draw a midline. Okay. Write it here. आ मात्रा. Okay. Write it like this. Make the heading. आ मात्रा. Underline. Now again to the right side. छोटी ई की मात्रा, छोटी ई मात्रा. Now listen children. During exam, no, we may ask you, if I ask you to write a matra 5 words, you should have to write a matra 5 words. If I ask choti ki matra write any 5 words, then you should have to write by your own any 5 words of choti ki matra. Okay. Now be ready all of you. Very small words you can take for this. Okay. Makan. Ma number 1. Ma ka ko ki matra ka na makan. Number 2. Come on say. You can say other words also, not related to textbook. If you know any words, you can do any pronunciation. మీకు అర్థమైతే ఏమేం వర్డ్స్ ఆ మాత్ర ఉందో మీకు అర్థమైనవి అవి కూడా రాయవచ్చు. ఓకే, యూ కెన్ రైట్ ఆల్ దోస్ వర్డ్స్. ఓకే, నౌ లిసన్ హియర్. ఛాత, ఛాకుआ की मात्रा छ, ताकुआ की मात्रा थ, छाता. नेक्स्ट वन बादल, बाकुआ की मात्रा ब, द, ल, बादल. फोर्थ वन पालक, पाकुआ की मात्रा प, ल, क, पालक. फिफ्थ वन माला, माकुआ की मात्रा म, लाकुआ की मात्रा ला, माला. ताला. Like that you can write any five. छोटी की मात्रा, छोटी की मात्रा how you should have to write, I'll tell you. छोटी की मात्रा again underline. First one साकु छोटी की मात्रा सी, र, सिर. नंबर 2 र, वी, वाकु छोटी की मात्रा वी. नंबर 3. Okay, you write the next one पहिया, प, हाकु छोटी की मात्रा ही, या, पहिया. फोर्थ वन you can write and next one किरण, काकु छोटी की मात्रा की, र, न, किरण. फिफ्थ वन सियार, साकु छोटी की मात्रा सी, याकु आ की मात्रा या, र, सियार. Enough. Look at here children. Why I am giving this type of practice? Yes, you should have to understand that where to place the matra. When you are pronouncing, you have to grasp the sound of the letter, which side matra you are getting. Okay, మీరు చదివినప్పుడు మీకు ఈజీగా అర్థమైపోతుంది. మనం ఏ వర్డ్ కానీ మనం పలుకుతాం కదా, ఆ వర్డ్ అప్పుడు పక్కకి ఏ మాత్ర సౌండ్ వస్తుందో అవి గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఓకే, చిడియా ఉంది, చాకు మాత్ర సౌండ్ ఉంది, డాకు ఉంది సౌండ్, అవునా కదా. చిడియా. పా. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ నాట్ పానీ, పానీ ఇస్ బడి కి మాత్ర. వీ కెన్ గో ఫర్ నెక్స్ట్ వన్ గిటార్. ఐ హ్యాడ్ గివెన్ గిటార్, తకియా. సో ఆ సౌండ్ని అక్షరం పక్కకి ఏ మాత్ర సౌండ్ వస్తుంది, విచ్ మాత్ర యు ఆర్ గెటింగ్ ద సౌండ్ ఆఫ్ ద బిసైడ్ లెటర్. You have to understand that particular letter, you have to place that particular matra. So you have to practice like this. I may ask a matra or choti ki matra. If I ask choti ki matra, write any 5 words, you should have to write by any 5 words. By today I gave some 5 words, selected 5 words, but you can have to do the practice of what other way. Whichever the words you know, you can write. Understand? Kila is there, mill, milna. Understand? Next one nihar, nihan. You can write so many words are there, n number of words of choti ki matra. So you have to understand that. If you have textbook, keep on reading that poem and do the practice of this choti ki matra words. Here this is previous matra, I had explained you already. So you have to perfect of this matra words. Second class children, is it clear for you? Okay, so tomorrow again I will give you the next bits of how to frame the words, letter and matra related word. Tomorrow I will show you and I will give you 2 question answers for tomorrow, not today. Today I had given 2 bits. This is enough for you. You have to understand this very easily. If you understand this topic, matra related words, whichever today I had given, then it will be very easy for you all to go through the matra. Okay, so I hope this class is very clear for my second class children. So tomorrow see you with new exercises with the other bits. Okay, thank you children.